Hey guys,
So
and
guys,
we're back. So let's take a drive with me. We're
a
going to the
drive
beach.
with
So
me.
come with me on another road trip day. Yeah, let's go. All right, so we're in the lovely parish St. Elizabeth, and we're on our way to Galleon Beach, and that's in Black River. Going through Black River and headed to Brompton Crawford area. So let's go. All right, so we're approaching Black River, and we've just passed by the courthouse and on to the library. That's the Black River Library. And we're headed on to Galleon Beach where we're going to have some fun, fry some fish, as you know. Yeah, man, just enjoy ourselves. All right? So let's go. All right, so we just reach and approach the beach, but I don't know if I have to drink my good old gungo soup. My gungo soup I get from my sister, Kathy. And yo, me appreciate it. If you all know me, I'm a soup lover. So me see one like a boat, so me go just try check it out and see what they have in the boat. You know, yo, the water cold on me 14. Wow, this is good. Damn. All right, guys, so let's go and just check out the boat. Yo, let me see. I'm going to look what they have in the boat, you know. I'm very curious. Let's go. Let's see. Pretty, they have a fish gun. Guys, there's a fish gun in the boat. I forgot to try out it. Get a use off of the gun idea, you know. All right, guys, have a look at the water. Very beautiful. The sea is very, very beautiful. I want to bet my foot just now. Alright guys, so this is us on the beach and we're about to make some fire, you know. You know, because we have the fish for fry and they have piece of pork, but they don't know if the rest no deal with pork, you know. So I stay far from that. I just go and make my vlog. I'm gonna pre them, you understand? Enjoy my soup, sweet to the belly. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so there you have the girl. Wanna sweep, wanna chop. Cause them clean up the place, you know. We want some woods now if we go catch the fire so we can do the right thing, you know. Yeah man, you know we bring a couple stuff with we have like coconut and melon, you see them? Have a look. Yeah man, we have juices also, we have liquor. We walk with like a boom box so we can play some songs, you know. So we have everything sorted properly, man. So we wanted to catch some fish, so we carry them bait for the fish. And there, so right now we have worm and we have shrimp, you know. But that's for when we're going fish hunting, when we're ready further on, you know, in the day. Yeah, man. So I just go and take a look at the beach, you know. Here me find me run and buck up on some seashell, yo. A whole heap of seashell, you know. I don't know how much seashell the one place at the beach. Me a count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seashell. Seashell for days. You know, me think about selling them because people always buy seashell, you know, from time to time. And take them, put them at them flowers road. Yeah. People always do that. I'm thinking about selling them. Anybody interested? Hit me up. Sell a seashell. And they're not going to be too expensive. So, yeah, man. If you're interested, you can link me for the good old seashell them. Yeah, man. So, that's me, guys. Vibing with Pretty Rough. Me try to listen, see if me can hear nothing from the seashell and about. But I not hear nothing. Waste of my time. Let's listen, though. Not that thing. There you have the igloo. Jesus peace. The girl dropped the ice in the igloo and bust out the igloo. But Lord God can't kill we. But moving on. So we have a liquor there, guys, and we have a chase of them. Coconut for drink. You know, June plum to eat. Yeah, so we're going with liquor thing. Fish over there. So, we're going with myself, man. Everything up, you know. So there you have my sister over there. She about to make up the fire, you know. And so we can get the fish on the way. So, yeah, man, make them do it, you know. Do it. Yeah, man, drop in the wood. And so then I have no gas. I want to plan for you to light the fire. Water can light fire, youth. You need gasoline, baby. All right, I'm going to see what I'm going to do them thing, you know. So, we're going to take a look at the sea. Have some deeper look. But, yeah, we're beautiful, you know, guys. No filter added. Straight, raw, natural sea. Out here, so we are going to come in and come look the fish when we are going to hunt some fish. Try to catch some fish, you know. Because me tell you, we walk with the fish bait. Yeah, so we're going to throw our line when we're ready. But let's have a look first at how beautiful the sea is. I want me to walk on how this feels so. Just feel soft and gross and ewy. Damn. Anyways, moving on. We're heading to have a look at the beautiful water. Damn, bro, this is life. It's beautiful. Jaja. Gillian Beach. Yo, this is very nice. It's a good look. Yeah, man, look at the sky too. Major. The sky is very beautiful, man. I have to turn around the camera, I can see it and have a look with me. And I hit Jaja. Yo, me look nice in the background. Me I say one. Alright, anyways, so we're heading back to see where them are going. We didn't know wood still a chop. Like they not plan for stop chop the wood, you know. They're not done for today. How long them gonna chop wood for? Alright, make them go and do them thing, then look about look, you know. Then we'll see what is what. Them carry fish and me though is fish, so I'm out of it. I don't know what me gonna eat. Then carry pork and a rasta, so you know, so me not in that also, so. Like me, I forgot just drink some coconut water. I forgot just drink some coconut water and eat piece of the melon and have a junk plum, you know, and call it a day. Yeah, well, nothing like fruits still. Well, I'm just going to a wider view of the Gillian Beach. Yeah, so I can see what is what. Yes, over there I play some music and me just there vibes and I rock to the music, you know. But yeah, that is that. And I'm not going to hear the music right now because me have to do like a thing to the video. So in the next video, man, I know we hear what is what and what's up. But guys, do remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment. You understand? I share up the thing for you, man. Share up the video, man. Make it can reach thousands, guys. Appreciate, you know. So anyways, let's go back to me now, vibing. Heading to my sister, see there, they still up and they can't get the fire for blaze. So they must still go on to them thing, you know. Yeah, man. She's Mercedes, by the way. She's my little sister. Yeah. She going with herself in a chat. She going with herself, man. Alright. Fire soon start now. Watch my sister over there, so she not have nothing to do, just walk up and down like some giant tourist. Yeah, guys, do remember to subscribe, alright?